Hi everyone, I'm Leo. Today we are talking about the unwritten rules in Chinese culture. Let's get this out of the way. Yes, Chinese culture has lots of rules. Some are written, like laws. Some are unwritten, like not sitting in your boss's dinner chair unless you want to disappear from company photos. The unwritten ones are the most dangerous because nobody tells you about them until you break them. So if you want to survive a Chinese dinner, visit someone's house without causing spiritual offense, or just not be the clueless foreigner everyone gently judges, here's your guide to the mysterious world of Chinese unwritten rules. Rule number 1. Never stick your chopsticks upright in rice. Why? Because it looks like incense sticks at a funeral offering, which says, "Thanks for dinner. May your ancestors accept your soul." Probably not the vibe you were going for. So here's what to do instead. Rest them neatly on the edge of your bowl or on the little ceramic chopstick stand if you're at a fancy place. Breaking this rule feels like putting your feet on someone's pillow with shoes at their wedding. Okay, next rule. Always decline compliments, even if you agree. If someone says, "Your Chinese is so good," do not say, "Thanks, I've been studying for years." Do say, "Oh, no, it's terrible. I can barely say my own name," while speaking fluent Mandarin. It's called modesty, because bragging, even by accident, is a cultural no-no. You must pretend your success is pure luck and your skills are shameful. In practice, if a compliment goes, "Your daughter is so smart," the parent goes, No, she's very average. Sometimes she gets A-." Next rule. Never open a gift in front of the giver. In many cultures, tearing into a gift in front of someone is normal. Not in China. Why? Opening it immediately might make you look greedy, materialistic, or worse, disappointed if it sucks. So the polite move is say thank you, smile sincerely, put it aside. Open it later like a secret treasure, possibly guarded by a dragon. Okay, next rule. Bring a gift, but not clocks or umbrellas. When visiting someone's home, you must bring a gift, like fruit, snacks, or something nice. This is good manners. However, do not bring a clock. 送钟 sounds like 送钟, which means to attend someone's funeral. And also, don't bring an umbrella, 伞, because 伞 sounds like 散, which means to break up or fall apart. If you brought them as gifts, here's the translation. "Thanks for having me. Here's a funeral and a divorce." Stick to fruit. Chinese love fruit as gifts. Okay, next rule. Elders take seats first. Yes, Chinese culture still runs on a respect for your elders engine. When the dinner starts, don't rush to sit first. Wait for the eldest or the host to find their place. Then you may settle yourself, slowly, carefully, as though your ancestors are watching. Violation of this rule may result in silent judgment, a public reminder, or being disowned. Probably not, but you'll feel like it. Okay, next one. Always fight to pay for the bill, even if you don't want to. This is all about face. If someone says, "Let me pay for this," and you say, "Sure," you just broke rule 1 for face-saving combat. Here's how it works. They offer to pay, you must refuse. No, let me. They insist. You argue, and they win. You lose face, but actually gain respect. This polite game is required. If you skip it, the simulation breaks. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Always top up someone else's tea before yours. Tea is sacred. Pouring tea is an art. If you see someone's cup getting low, you will fill theirs first, not yours. It shows respect, attentiveness, and good upbringing. And when someone pours you tea, you tap the table with 2 fingers to say, thank you. Why 2 fingers? Legend says it mimics a bow. You are saying, thanks for the tea. I'm very grateful, so I'm bowing. The action is fake, but my appreciation is genuine. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Don't point at people with chopsticks. Pointing is already kinda rude in many places. Now imagine doing it with tiny wooden weapons. It's seen as aggressive and disrespectful, like verbally poking someone in the eye. Chopsticks are for food, not threats. Use your words. Or if you're mad, just say something passive-aggressive like a proper adult. Okay, next. Don't show off, even if you're awesome. Let's say you speak fluent Chinese, run a $1 million business, and you're a Kung Fu master. You still must act like you are just okay, and you're still learning, and you're not that good. Why? Because Chinese culture loves humility. Showing off is a fast way to lose face and friends. Even if you're secretly a genius, play it down. Unless you're a grandmother, then you can show off your grandkids all day. Next one. 面子, face, is everything. The entire system runs on this mysterious social currency called 面子, face. Face means reputation, pride, status, or respect. You can gain face by being generous, humble, or successful. And you lose face by being rude, loud, arrogant, or embarrassing someone in public. And never call someone out or criticize them in front of others. That's like stealing their teenage photo and posting it online. Now let's see the last one. Always leave a little food on the plate. Eating everything might seem like a compliment, but in Chinese culture, a clean plate can mean the host didn't feed you enough, you are still hungry, and you're about to order pizza afterward. Leaving a little food shows you were satisfied, but leave too much and it looks wasteful. It's a delicate food ballet. Chinese culture is full of hidden rules, subtle signals, and quiet expectations. At first, you might find it confusing, but once you get the hang of it, you'll impress people, you'll avoid awkward silences, and maybe you'll win bonus points without even opening your mouth. Just remember, be humble, be polite, and don't bring a clock to grandma's house. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Leo. See you next time. Bye for now.